cube of edge कितना
14 centimeter.
14 centimeter. There is a cube like this. This is how much? This edge is 14 centimeter. Now what you have to do?
A cone of maximum size curved out.
Curved out. Cube है ना ये?
Is
This is we have like this, right? Maximum diameter of cone is equal to edge of square cube, that is 14 centimeter. So radius of circular base of cone is equal to 14 centimeter. Radius is 14 by 2 becomes 7 centimeter, right? So radius is 7 centimeter and this is the base. Maximum base we can expect out like this. So height of cone is
14.
height of cone is 14 centimeter. Now what you have to
Find
find?
out the volume of remaining material. Find out the volume of remaining material.
So volume of remaining material is equal to volume of cube minus volume of cone. So it is a cube minus 1/3 pi r square h. So it is 14, 14 cube minus 1/3 into 22/7 into 7 into 7 into 14. This is what is your answer, by the way? If I take 14 as a common from here, so it is 196 minus 7 and 7 is gone, and it is 154 upon 3. What is your answer?
2025 whole 1 upon 3.
So this is 14 into 6 times 3 becomes 18, we get 1. 9 times 3 becomes 27, 128, we get 1. 4. 488 minus 154, 154 upon 3, right? 154 upon 3. Now it is how much? How much you get? 488 minus 154. 4, 3, 3 into 14. How much it is? 1558 whole 2 by 3 centimeter cube. What is your answer?
2025 whole 1 upon 3.
What is your question, by the way?
From a cube of each 14 centimeter, a cone of maximum size is carved out. Find the volume of the remaining material.
Whole calculation goes wrong. This is 6 times 3 becomes 18, we get 1. 9 times 3 becomes 27, 128, we get 2. 3 times 1 becomes 3, 2, 5. Here is 588. Now 588 subtracted from 154, you get 4, 3, 4, right? So you get 14 into 4, 3, 4 upon 3. Is it?
Yes.
Centimeter cube. Now, what will be your answer? One 96 into 3, 588 minus 154, 4, 134 multiplied by 14. It comes 6076 by 3 centimeter cube. So this is divided by 3. It is 225. 0.33.
2025 whole 1 upon 3.
So 2025 whole 1 upon 3 centimeter cube. This is the volume we have, right? So we made a mistake here in calculation. There is 3 multiplied by 196, we get 588, not 488, right? So because of that it is happening. And this much is the difference. And this much difference is multiplied by 14. Then you get 6076 upon 3 centimeter cube. What you have done here, and you get this, right? This is your question number 3. We have done.
Yes.
Okay. So what is next? We have
So next is
exercise. What is that?
cylindrical can.
Question number.
Question number 24.
Question number 24. What is that?
Cylindrical can.
A cylindrical can.
Yes.
Okay. This is
Whose
We
base
have-
is horizontal. Whose base is horizontal.
okay, cylindrical cone, cylindrical container whose base is
Horizontal.
horizontal. चलो ठीक, फिर
And of radius 3.5 centimeter.
end of radius
3.5 centimeter.
is 3.5 centimeter. Right. What is the height?
Contains sufficient water so that
Contains
sufficient water
contains sufficient water
so that when a sphere is placed in a can,
so
that when a sphere is
when sphere
placed in the can,
is placed in the can,
the water just covers the sphere.
water
Just cover the sphere.
water just cover the
Sphere.
water just cover edge. Just cover sphere.
This
Just cover sphere. Okay.
give that the sphere just fit
Hmm.
in. Give
And
that
given sphere just
fit into the can.
just fit into the can.
Calculate total surface area
Total surface area
of the can in contact with water
Total surface area of can contact in water.
when the sphere is in it.
Contact in water when the sphere in it. Right? This is
So ये एक part is second.
okay. Okay. Let me finish first. So you have a sphere like this. Right? Sphere. It is just fit in the cylinder, na?
Yes. Just cover this.
Hmm?
The water just cover the sphere.
It is like this. Right? And water is just covering. Water is just covering. Right? So what we have to, this is, what is the height of cylinder?
Height नहीं
अगर हम ये मान लें कि its height is 3.5 into 3.5 becomes 7 centimeter, right? So water in contact, hmm? Water surface area of water in contact in contact surface area of water in contact with cylinder, huh? So that is equal to CSA O TSA of cylinder minus surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere, right? Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r bracket h plus r minus total surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, right? So it is 2, if we take 2 pi as a common, so we get 2 pi r, If we take 2 pi r as a common, so how much you get? You are getting h plus r minus 2r, right? Up 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5 is radius, bracket h plus r. 7.5, 10.5, 10.5 minus 7, right? 7, 0.5, it is 122 into, it is how much? 3.5 centimeter square. So it is 77 centimeter square. What is?
192.5 centimeters.
Hmm?
192.5 centimeters square.
1, 9.
2.5 centimeters.
Sorry. Total surface area. ऊपर तो होगा नहीं. Sorry. There is a mistake I made. There is a mistake I made. That is equal to 2 pi rh plus pi r square minus 4 pi r square. Right? So pi r, is it? So you get 2h plus r minus 4 pi. अगर हम इस पूरे को बाहर ले लें, राइट, तो ये हो जाएगा r. Is it? No. 4r. है ना? Pi r we have taken as a common, so we get 4r here. So this is 22 upon 7 into 3.5 becomes 0.5 bracket 2h means 14 plus 17.5 minus how much? 15, 15. 2h means कितना हुआ? 7 plus 7 14 plus 3.5 17.5. 4 into 3.4 3.5 into 4
14.
14, right? This is how much? Huh?
3.5. 11 into 3.5.
11 into 3.5. So that is also coming how much? 38.5 centimeters square. Is it? No.
192.5.
Ah,
Then
water in contact of ले जाओ उसको ले जाओ radius is 3.5.
सर सिलेंडर का नीचे वाला बेस पे लेना.
नीचे वाला बेस तो कांटेक्ट में होगा ना वाटर के.
ऊपर वाला तो नहीं होगा.
नहीं ऊपर. So that's why I have taken pi r square only. There must be 2 pi r square, but I have taken pi r square only. So if I take pi r square, so pi r square 2h plus r minus
4.
pi r we have taken 4r is there. 22 into 3.5 into height of cylinder is 7. 7 into 2 becomes 14. 14. 17.5 minus 14 3.5. Okay, so surface area which is it is contact in water is equal to PSA surface area of cylinder. Surface area of cylinder. So we will take 2 pi RH plus pi r square. So we have taken pi r as a common, right? Pi r as a common, so we get 2h plus, it is how much? 3.5 r. So it is 22 by 7 into 3.5 bracket 14 plus 3.5. It is 0.5. We get 11 into 17.5, right? So 17.5 17.5, 5291. So that is 192.5 centimeter square. This is the area, right? Surface area of water in contact with cylinder is this much only. There is no need of sphere, right? This is because upper surface is not there, upper surface of cylinder is not in contact, so it is pi r square. This is we get done the first part. What is the second part?
The depth of the water in the can before the sphere was put into the can. Give your answer as proper fraction.
Yeah.
The depth of the water in the can before the sphere was put into the can.
Volume volume of volume of cylinder volume of cylinder is equal to volume of water in cylinder is equal to pi r square h minus 4 by 3 pi r cube. Is it? So pi r square you have taken as a common. It becomes h minus 4 by 3 into r. Is it? 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into h is 7 minus 4 by 3 into 3.5. This is 0.5, 11. It is 38.5 bracket. It is how much? 3.5 into 4 divided by 3. 4.67. 4 point ये कितना हुआ? 7 minus 14 upon 3. So it is 38.5 bracket 7 by 3. So what is volume?
7 by 3.
38.5 38.5 multiplied by 7, 269.5. So that is 269.5 upon 3 centimeter cube, right? This is volume of water in cylinder, this much. That is equal to what? This is equal to, you know, this is equal to 269.5 by 3 is equal to pi r square h. Pi r square. This was the original volume of water. अब इसकी हाइट क्या होगी? दैट इज इक्वल टू 269.5 divided by 3 is equal to 22 upon 7 into 12.25 into h. 7 1 7 za 175, right? So this is how much? 1.75 into 22, it is 38.5, right? So 269.5 divided by 3 is equal to 38.5 into h, right? Um, um, this is divided by 269.5 divided by 38.5, it is 7, right? This is 7. So h is equal to 7 by 3 centimeter, right? Or 2 whole 1 by 3 centimeter. Height of water. What is your answer?
7.3 centimeter.
Height of water. Actually, this is actual volume. When you remove this sphere, then the cylinder becomes what? Either you are not understanding me, either I am not able to tell you what happens. This is cylinder, right? Smaller version of it. This sphere is there. So on removing sphere, water label comes here, right? Water label comes here. This is the volume of water is how much? 269.5 by 3 centimeter cube, right? So what will be the height of, do you understand this? This was the exactly position. This was the cylinder, when you put the sphere, water level rise. So how much area it is in contact? That is equal to surface area of cylinder. So surface area of cylinder se we come to know how much area of cylinder, how much surface of cylinder is in contact of water. Now this is, we have height. So height is height of water is equal to 7 by 3 centimeter. Right? This is. Do you understand?
Yes.
This was the whole question we have. Huh?
Yes.
I hope you understand. Okay, what next you have? You have done this? Hmm. What is question number?
23.
What is that?
The surface area of solid metallic sphere
Surface area. Surface area.
of solid metallic sphere
Surface area of solid. Solid metallic sphere
is 1256
1000
256 centimeter square.
centimeter square.
It is melted and recast into
Melted. It is melted and recast.
solid right circular cone.
Cast and recast into solid
Right circular cone
right circular cone. Right circular cone.
of radius 2.5
Circular
centimeter.
cone of radius.
2.5 centimeter
Radius of 2.5 centimeter
and height 8 centimeter.
and height 8 centimeter. Then
Calculate the radius of solid sphere.
calculate radius of
Solid sphere
radius of solid sphere and
the number of cone recast.
I was expecting
Second part.
and number of cylinder.
Cone.
Huh? Number of cones. Okay.
3.145.
Pi value is 3.14. So how we do this? You know, there is a solid metallic sphere. The sphere is like that. How is it? The sphere is like this, This solid metallic sphere is like this. This is solid metallic sphere. Solid metallic sphere, right? It is melted and recast into n number of cones and number of cones like this. You get this? This is And what is the radius?
2.5.
2.5,
Height
and height is
8.
8 centimeter. Right. So first we have to find, and volume of cone is, sorry, volume of sphere is equal to 1256 centimeter square. है ना? No, cube. It should be cube. Surface area. Surface area. Surface area. Surface area of sphere is centimeter square. Right? So that is, surface area is equal to 4 pi r square is equal to 1256. So it is how much? 4 into 3.14 into r square is equal to 1256. So it is r square is equal to 1256. So r square is equal to 1256 into 100 upon 1256. This is cancel out, taking root over. So r is equal to 10 centimeter. Radius of sphere is, radius of sphere is 10 centimeter. Right? Now volume of a cone is how? Oh God. Okay. So volume of cone is how much? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Right? So volume of sphere is equal to n into volume of a cone. ये वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर इज 4/3 pi r cube is equal to n into how much? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. You get this? Hello. So this 3 and 3 is gone. Pi and pi is gone.
Square.
This is no. 4 into radius is different. Its radius is 10. So it is 1000 is equal to n into its 2.5 square is 6.25. 6.25 into
8.
8. Right?
4,000.
Hello. So it is how much? 1 time, 2 times. So 1000 is equal to n divided by, and Oh, 12.5. 12.5. So n is equal to 1000 into 100 upon 1250. This is cancelled out. 5 times 5 becomes 25. 5 times 25 becomes 5. 5 times 25 becomes 125. 5 into 25 becomes 125. So 125 divided by 25, we get 5. And 100 divided by 5 becomes
So 80.
100 divided by 25 becomes 4. You get 40. So is it 400? How many spheres?
So cones.
Cone.
80.
Yeah, sorry. Sorry. Yeah, this 4 into 100 becomes 400 upon 5. This 5 is there, na? So this is divided by 80. So n is equal to 80. 80 spheres. Before solving this, it came in my mind that there are a number of spheres will be 80, but somehow I get split in it. When I was looking this this is 625 into 2, it's 12.5. 12.50 into n is equal to 1000. I have in mind that there will be 80 because 125 multiplied by 8 becomes 1000, right? So I was having that, but somehow in this we 14 to 4 10 becomes 400, but it must be divided by this 5. So 400 by 5 becomes 80. So 80 spheres. 80 spheres will be formed. Will be formed. Right? This was question number 23. Now we have question number 22. Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
What it is? Question number
Vessel 21.
21. What is?
A vessel is in the form of inverted cone.
A vessel in the form of
Inverted cone.
in the form of inverted cone. Inverted cone. Do you get this? Do you understand? Hmm? What? Huh? It is like this. This is a, this is, right, with radius r.
Its height is 11 centimeter.
Height is
11 centimeter.
height is equal to 11 centimeter.
And the radius of its top, which is open, is 2.5 centimeter.
Radius is 2.5 centimeter, right?
It is filled with water up to the rim.
Brim. Filled with water up to the brim. Filled with water up to the brim, right? Up to the brim. Then
When some lead shots,
when lead shots are put in,
each of which is a sphere of radius,
some lead shots. These are some lead shots, right? These are lead shots.
of radius to 0.25 centimeter.
Lead shots which radius is
0.25 centimeter
0.25 centimeter
are dropped into the vessel. 2/5 of water flows
So
out.
let n number of n number of n number of lead shots drop right. Then what happens?
Are dropped into 2/5 of water flows out. Find the number of lead shot drop
2/5 of the water
flows out.
2/5 of water flows out flows out, right? So what happens?
Find the number of shots dropped in the vessel.
Find number of shots So we have 2/5 volume of cone is equal to n into volume of a sphere, right? So we have 2 by 5 into volume of cone is how much?
1/3 pi is
1 upon 3 pi r square h is equal to n into 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? So this 3 and 3 is gone, pi and pi is gone, right? 2 times 2 becomes 4. So how much you get?
R square.
R is 2.5, na?
Yes.
It becomes 6.25 into height is 11 by 5 is equal to n into 2 into r cube is
0.25.
0.25 whole cube. Getting?
5 answer and 0.25.
So what will be? What will be? 6.25 into, oh sorry, if I go by 0.0625 into 0.25, right? Hmm? Into 2. So this is how much? 6 point. वैसे we can go by, if we go like this, 2.5 into 2.5 into 11 upon 5 is equal to n into 2 into 0.25 into 0.25 into 0.25. You get this? Now these two zeros, decimals are gone. You get two zeros here, and here is how much? 6. Right?
25, 20.
Getting? So this 25 and 25, this 25 and 25,
2 0.
right? And two zeros are cancel out. Two zeros are cancel out. It
25
becomes
answer.
400. You get 400. Huh? It becomes 80. 80 into 2 becomes 40. Huh? So now when we cross multiplied, this is 1. So when it is cross multiplied, so n is equal to 440 leg shots. How much? Leg shots.
Mama,
हाँ
आपका phone check.
रुक जाओ भैया. Leg shots. How much?
440.
Leg shots. This is your solution.
Didi.
You just wait outside.
No, mamá te va a ver, नहीं करो गुस्सा मामा चिल्लाएंगे जब आप माँ नहीं खुलवा.
Is it? This was question number 21.
Yes.
Only this part? Okay. What is next? We have 22. 22.
20.
22. Sorry, which one we have done?
21.
We were done 24, 23, 22.
21.
22 we left. Why you left?
The same question as 22.
Same question as
Sorry,
23.
23.
So come to question number
20.
20. What is that?
A certain number of metallic stones
Certain number of Number of
metallic cones,
metallic cones,
each of radius 2 centimeter,
each of radius, each of radius
2 centimeter,
2 centimeter,
and height 3 centimeter.
certain number of metallic cones, each of radius 2 centimeter and
Three centimeter
height 3 centimeter, right?
are melted and recast in solid sphere
Are melted and recast recast uh, recast
into solids
into solid
sphere of radius 6 centimeter.
solid sphere of radius 6 centimeter, right?
Find the number of cones.
Find number of cones. Number of cones. Find the number of cones. What is
Volume of sphere is equal to
certain number of metallic cones, right? Each of metallic cones, right? There are, you know,
volume of sphere into n.
this is of n number of cones. N number of cones. N number of cones. Number of cones. They are melted, right? Melted and recast into a this is recast sphere. How much? Recast sphere
Of radius
of radius how much?
6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. Very nice. So its radius is 6 centimeter. And what about these cones? Radius is
2 centimeter.
radius is 2 centimeter and height is
3.
3 centimeter. N number. Okay. So we have what happens?
Volume of sphere is equal to n into volume of cone.
Huh. N spheres into volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere is equal to uh, vo- n into volume of cones. Cones is equal to volume of sphere, right? So n into volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h is equal to volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube,
3
right? This 3 and 3 gone, pi and pi gone. Now n into 2 square into 3 is equal to how much? 4 into r cube कितना है? 6 का cube 216. This 2 square gone with 4. Huh?
Yes.
This 2 square gone with 4. So you get how much? N is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 upon 3 2 times. So it is how much?
7.
36 into 2. So number of cones is equal to n is equal to 36 into 2 is equal to 72. Is it correct?
Yes. Yes.
Number of cones are 72 there. है ना? n into volume of cones is equal to volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere. I hope you get this. Huh?
Yes.
Good luck. How many you done?
5, 6. 6.
Just 6 question you have done. Huh? It's very less number. Anyway, thank you.